Deep beneath the surface of the ocean, a world exists that is as mysterious as it is terrifying. Creatures that live here don't just seem strange, they defy our understanding of life itself. But why? The answer lies in the extreme and unforgiving environment they inhabit. These creatures have evolved in ways that, while shocking to us, are perfectly suited for survival in the abyss. First, the crushing pressure. At depths where most deep-sea creatures reside, the pressure is more than 100 times that of the surface. This intense force shapes not only the body structures of these creatures, but also how they function. Many have evolved soft, flexible bodies that can withstand this extreme pressure without collapsing. Some scientists argue that this constant adaptation to pressure is a key reason why they look so different from surface dwellers. Another factor is the complete absence of sunlight. In these dark depths, the concept of vision changes entirely. Many deep-sea creatures have evolved to rely on senses other than sight, where they produce their own light through bioluminescence. This eerie glow serves multiple purposes, from attracting prey to confusing predators. Bioluminescence is not just a survival tool. It's a necessity in a world without light. The anglerfish, with its glowing lure, is just one of the many examples of how light is used in the darkness. The scarcity of food is another reason for the strange adaptations of these creatures. In the deep ocean, food is rare, and creatures must make the most of any meal they find. This leads to some terrifying features, such as enormous mouths and expandable stomachs, allowing them to consume prey much larger than themselves. Creatures like the gulp or eel can open their jaws wide enough to swallow almost anything that crosses their path. Isolation plays a significant role too. The deep ocean is like a separate world, cut off from the rest of the planet. This isolation has allowed evolution to take unique and often bizarre paths. Over millions of years, species have developed features that seem almost alien to us. Some researchers suggest that this isolation creates opportunities for life to experiment in ways that are unimaginable in other ecosystems. Finally, the appearance of these creatures, although terrifying to us, is often a form of camouflage or a method of survival. Whether it's the transparent body of a jellyfish or the dark colors of a giant squid, these adaptations help them blend into the abyss, hiding from predators or sneaking up on prey. In the end, what we see as terrifying or strange in deep-sea creatures is simply evolution at its finest. These animals are perfectly designed for survival in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Their monstrous appearances, glowing bodies, and strange behaviors are all part of their incredible adaptation to life in the deep, dark sea.